Hi, this is Mark from Product Review Geeks. Along with my wife Sherry, my grandson John, and my granddaughter Abby, we make up the Product Review Geeks. Today, I got a treat for you. Here's a company called BuildaBizOnline. Now, I've done videos with them before, but they just redid their website. I mean, it looks really nice and everything, and it's really nice to navigate. You open the menu, they got all this stuff. All right, you can have your own links and banners. You know, every month you can check out here and see how much money, how many commissions you make. I've been doing this for a few years and we get quite a bit of commissions on ours. Works out pretty good for us. You can advertise your programs, but here's something right here. All right, now you can join this free or you can be a paid member for $16 a month, which I highly recommend you upgrade to the 16 a month. But let's get the free programs here. All right. Programs page, you can add, organize, and promote the affiliate programs to use from your personal Build a Biz programs page. All right, let's open this up and see what it is. Okay, see? These are ads listed on here. All right, let's go back. Oh, we got to log in. Let me log in here. Oh, no, I don't need to log in. It's just that there was another page that opened up. All right, here we go. Free marketers tools. Programs page, you can rotate your URLs as a URL rotator. You can manage your mailers. If you do safe listen like that, here, let me show you this tool here. See, I've got some on here. Whenever you send out a mailing, you can put it on here. I haven't sent any mailings out. You can also make your own templates you can use for your mailers. All right. See what else we got here. When you first log in, you got the welcome video. You build your email list. You can promote affiliate programs with one page, with one link. Promote all your traffic sites with one link. Are you new to affiliate marketing? Start promoting your business, drive traffic to your ads. The latest member banner performance, total views. I've got 23 views on my thing. Got any today? I got 41 leads. I ain't got none today. All right. Oh, here we go. Let's see. All right. Now, let's go into this here. Let me just X out of these here. We don't need that one. We need this right here. Here we go. Now, let's go back to the free marketers. Now, you can do a drop and drag page builder. Let's open this tool here. And you can build your own web pages. You can choose a template. So that's pretty nice. You can build them free. Okay. All right, let's see. So let's go back to the free marketers toolkit. Also, you get a free autoresponder. You can get up to 50 subscribers. So that's pretty good. Your first 50 subscribers free. After that, then you can just upgrade. I suggest you upgrade anyways. And you got some page design tools, banner builder. What you see is what you get editor, which is nice. You can generate logos and you can check URLs, okay? And then you can protect your sites. All right, upgraded member. See, I'm an upgraded member, so I'm an old upgraded member. I upgraded years ago when it was $14. It's 16 now, but it's still a great deal. Okay. Manage your mailer. Okay. Drag and drop builder. Create your team build. Campaign builder. Autoresponder. I've got that. I'll log in here and show you what that is. See, I've got 10 campaigns, 41 active subscribers. Total of 41. I don't use this autoresponder as much as I do another one that I have, Leads Leap. But if you're just starting out, you want something basic, this is perfect for you. This is what I used when I first started out. And I still have people signing up. which is good. A lot of people, they'll spend $16 a month, but Leads Leap is $27 a month, but they're a little bit more advanced. I will say that. So when you can afford it, just, keep both of them. That way you can have income from both of them. That's what I do. I got two sources of income right here. All right, let's see. What else do we got here? Let's go back to the marketer's toolbox here. Okay. All right. View upgraded toolbox. Here we go to the upgraded one. We're going back to that again. All right. They also give you, see what else do they got here? You can protect your sites. You'll have a hosted page. You got a drop and drag builder, splash and capture page template builder, multiple capture page templates, inline HTML form, HTML form generator, exit pop-up generator, countdown timer, scarcity bar, video background generator, slideshow, banner builder, Mark II Pro banner generator, animate your banners, make banners clickable, rotate your banners, and image hosting. Manage your mailers pro, email generator, email tracking, URL link checker. Here's some additional ones you got. Splash pages, widget generator, bonus page generator, corner ad generator, YouTube video surround, splash page maker. And you create your own team build, personal blog settings, PDF host, add image reflection, water reflection, image cropping, image editor, AI, royalty-free music, image background. And you can also open the free members toolbox from here. And they also got, let's see, where is that? Email tracking tool. But I'm looking for something else here. What was it? It's a link tracker. Where did I do that? Pop-up generator. Pick your sites. Here we go. Cloak track and shorten URLs. That's the one. It's a link tracker. You can use that, and it comes. This is offered $16 a month, and you really can't beat that deal. Plus, they pay 70% commissions on everyone you sign up underneath you. If they upgrade to Pro, then you get 70% of that. So I've gotten me a nice little check every month that I get from them. You can get paid with PayPal or Wise, either one. I used Wise at first, but I like PayPal better. So, well, thanks for tuning in, everyone. This is Mark from Product Review Geeks. I hope this helps you, make up your mind. If you're looking for an autoresponder to marketing tools, it's a great place to start right here. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again in our next video.